Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to turn a document into an interactive workspace and generate a podcast style audio overview using Adobe Acrobat's AI features? Adobe Acrobat allows you to create AI powered document spaces where you can organize files, ask questions, generate insights, and collaborate with content. In support, in supported Acrobat AI environments, you can also generate podcast-style audio summaries that transform documents into easy-to-listen conversations. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a PDF space in podcast for documents in Adobe Acrobat in 2026. Simple and effective. So first thing, launch Adobe Acrobat, sign into your Adobe account if required. Make sure your Acrobat version supports the latest AI-powered document features. Some AI features require an active internet connection. So access AI-powered workspaces, like navigate to the AI section of Acrobat depending on your version. Okay. Depending on your version, look for options such as AI assistant, spaces, project. Okay, so open the area where Acrobat allows AI powered document organization. So create a new PDF space, like select create space or new space or a similar option. So provide a name for the space, for example, research project, contract review. Okay, upload documents, like add the files you want to analyze, for example, PDFs, reports, contracts, meeting notes, research papers. Okay, let the AI analyze the document. So once files are uploaded, Acrobat begins indexing and understanding the content. So AI may automatically generate key topics, summaries, suggested questions, important insights. So this preparation enables deeper AI interactions later. Okay, so this is it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.